Well, abusuafo Kumasi Asante Kotoko squad or they kwa face Great Olympics kwasi ada we Baba Yara Sports Stadium no abetodwa. Now without much I do, I will take you through the squad, the 20-man squad a face Great Olympics kwasi ada game way a game Kumasi Asante Kotoko really a bit made the top 4 a very important game. Now as usual the goalkeepers no so far some changes be later there. Frederick Asare and Poate and Goko post to them and defenders no Sheriff Mohammed Ejinen and Nana Benin and so around, and then Henry Ansu has been with the team for all these years, for all these days, yes, for all weeks. Henry Ansu, apart from the card be out there or the Tenant channel, or also Richmond Lamptey, the inform. Richmond Lamptey as usual. Michael Chedramana and so Ejina squad Muma Ekwaku face Great Olympics no. Your Andrews in team menu. Yes, the midfielder Andrews in team menu and so and Sheriff Mohammed the midfielder and so in our squad no. Justice Blay, the Chief Justice our squad no. Yes, still na coach Ogumebo the tray back now. And also this time about all tap Baba Yaya and so our squad no. Baba Yaya and so our squad no. And the dribbling magician Isaac upon Nema and so our squad no. Zeze home fano and he likely say one has say Budru Kwasiada no panana late fitness test no pass say untimi mwa mfege and the Baba for now Zeze mfege. Yes, and Morrison, Enoch Morrison, so I was squad alone. Enoch Morrison, and so I was squad alone. Someone who told into someone my Peter Amidu Aqua, Ejinem, Peter Amidu Aqua Ejinem, then Rocky Gamana, and so Eka Squadra, Eka Kofisi, Great Olympics, Kwasiada El Baba Yara Sports Stadium. So that's the squad. Kotoko game. We wish Kumasi Asante Kotoko all the best this particular encounter against Great Olympics.